Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload the data from Excel spreadsheet to the Power BI desktop. Okay, let's dive into the session. Here we have the table where we will be having district details, population detail, increase detail, sex ratio, literacy and density. Okay, now I will show you how to input the data into the Power BI desktop. Okay, this is the Power BI desktop main page and here you could see import data from Excel, and as well as we are able to import the data from get data and we can select Excel workbook, or even more easier, directly we can select the Excel workbook and we can import the data. Okay, once I selected the Excel workbook, I'm able to get that file folder. Here I'm able to select the destination file. Once we selected, we need to click on open. After that, we are able to see that immediate window, which is navigator window. In the left hand side, we are able to see the sheet details. For an example, if your workbook has multiple sheets, you are able to see all the sheets in the left hand side. Right now, we have only one sheet. Since we are able to see only one sheet, which is district detail. Okay, once you selected the checkbox, you're able to see the three different options bottom of the table, which is load, transform data and cancel. Load is nothing but if there is no changes in the data type, simply we can load the data, and if we want to change the data type, then we can use the transform data. Okay, what is data type? I will show you. By clicking the transform data, we are able to open the Power Query Editor. This Power Query Editor looks similar to the Excel's Power Query Editor, and here you could see the table details whatever we have uploaded from the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, how to change the data type? You could see serial number, which shows as a header 123, and the district, which is ABC. Since it is a text, it's showing as a ABC, and the next column is population. Since it is a number, it's showing as a 123, and the next one you could see 1.2. Since it is a decimal field, it's showing in 1.2. Okay, now we want to change this decimal to percentage. Okay, how to do that one? We can click transform command tab and you could see the data type, which is decimal number. I need to change it to the percentage. By simply selecting the percentage, we are able to see the pop-up message, which ensure that we need to replace the current data type. Yes, we need to replace the current data type. Once you click on the replace current, you are able to see the data type, which is changed from decimal to percentage. Okay, what is the next one? Sex ratio. Since it is a number, it's showing as 123. And literacy, again we need to change from decimal to percentage. And finally density, since it is a number, it's showing 123. Okay, once we have completed all the data type changes, we can go to the file and close and apply. Once you click on close and apply, you are able to import the data from Excel spreadsheet to the Power BI desktop. And once it is imported, you could see in the right hand side, we are able to see the field details, and as well as if we want to see the data, we can go to the table view from the left hand side, which is second option, and here we could see all the details which is imported from the Excel spreadsheet. Also we are able to see how many rows are imported. So far we have imported 32 rows. Easy, right? Stay connected to know more about Power BI functions and how to create the simple dashboard. See you again.